Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Baitanna. Now, question number 1 MCQ that we have to keep in mind. Finding from the options, we have to keep it in this way so that we can realize or we learn it in a proper way that we should keep in mind. See. Number 1, MCQ number 1, तृष्या पीड़ितः शिशु कस्य समीपम गति. तृष्या पीड़ितः शिशुः, suffering from the thirst, to whom this particular young ones going? Going to mother, going to water, going to nest, or going to sky. So naturally, तृष्या पीड़ित शिशु जनन्या समीपम गति, goes to mother. So the correct answer of first one, that is first one, ka jananyaha. Tusya pidisisu jananya samipam gati. The young one suffering from the water goes to its mother. Answer A, first one, ka jananyaha. Number 2, megaha sabda paryayakaha. Which word is the synonyms of meg? Meg, that you know, rain. So answer is C, Jaladaha, rain. Ga. First Jalam not, second Rushti not, third Jaladaha means rain. So correct answer C, third one, Ga, Jaladaha. Third one, C, Sarve Kim Rakshitayam. What is protected in all? Tadagaha, lake, kulacharaha. Family tradition, megaha, rain, sisuhu means young ones. What is protected in all? That is kulachar. Everything is protected in kulachar. That means family tradition. We all must follow family tradition. So sarvehi kulacharaha raksitavyam. Second one, kulacharaha. Clear? Number 4. Vruddhaha kidas asit. How was the old man? Andhaha, blind. Vifalaha, disabled. Maranasan, on the deathbed, or swasthaha, happy, fit. Vruddhaha maranasanaha asitaha. Maranasanaha means lying on deathbed. So correct answer, God. Maranasanaha. Shishuhu kasya pratiksham karoti. Whose, to whom the particular young ones wait? Megasya, rainwater. Megai, megam ke megain. Megasya of rainwater. First one, megasya means of rain. Megai means from rain. Megam means only rain. And megain means by rain. So megasya of rain. Sisuhu megasya pratiksham karoti. A, first one, ka, megasya. Number 6, pundrapi shabdasya uchitam sandhi vished darshiyatah. The words pundrapi we have to so apt and appropriate disjoin the sandhi, separate the sandhi. That answer coming, that is C, ga, punaha plus api. Ra cut, 2 dot coming, that is punaha. Ra change into 2 dots and a coming, taking out from ra, api. So correct answer, that is C, ga, punaha plus api. Clear? Over this 6 MCQ. Number 7 on new page. वत्स कुलस्य आचारम रक्षितु त्वया समेक्य आचरितम एतद वाक्य का वक्ति. Who speak this word? Oh child, you must follow the tradition. Who speaks this word? For telling what means son. You have followed family tradition, doing good. This particular sentence spoken by Vruddhaha. means old man. Khas, B, second one. Vats means son. Kulasya acharam rakshatum tvaya samyakya acharitam. By following the family tradition, you have done good work. This sentence is spoken by old man. Number 8. Aham tadak jalam patum. I want to go to lake. Ichhami. First person singular, that is why last word me coming, that verb coming. So correct answer, that is third one, ga ichhami. Clear? Now have to give answer in Sanskrit. Sanskrit bhashayam utram likha. Have to write answer in Sanskrit. Question also in Sanskrit, answer also in Sanskrit. Kaha trusya pidit asita. Who is suffering from thirst or thirsty? Kaha trusya pidit asita. Who is suffering from thirst? Then in place of kaha have to write only one word, chatak sisuhu. Then same word, trusya pidit asit, and full stop in place of interrogation mark. Kaha cut, have to write ekaha chatuk sisuhu. One young one suffering from thirst or thirsty. Chatak sisuhu kim patum nahati. Chatak sisu kim patum nahati. What did Chatak Sisu not get or not drink? Chatak Sisu meg jalam patu nahati. Chatak Sisu didn't get the water of the rain or rain water. Krushak putrasya daridhyam kem nashta bhavishyati. How is the bold person's farmer's son will destroy his poverty? Chatak putrasya daridhyam marge prapten dhansyuten nashta bhavishyati. The farmer's son poverty will be over by getting the bag on the road full of money. If he will take this bag, lot of money, then naturally his poverty will be over. So, Kushak putrasya daridhyam, from question saying, marge dhansyuta praptaha. Kushak putrasya daridhyam marge prapten dhansyuten nashta bhavishyati. Have to add margen praptem dhansyuten. Three words have to add. Marge prapten dhansyuten, then nast bhavishyati word already there in question. Can cut and have to add these three words, that is marge prapten dhansyuten, that we have to add. Number 4, Krushak putren marge kim praptam. What did farmer's son get on the way? Krushak putren marge dhansyutan praptam. Kim cut and adding dhansyutam. The farmer's son got bag full of money on the way. Number 5, Siso Trusha ken nashta. How can the thirst of the young ones satisfy? Siso Trusha meg jalasya panen nashta. The thirst of the young ones satisfied by drinking the water of the rain. Siso Trusha. Siso means young ones, Trusha means thirst. Nashta means over. When the young ones got the water of the rain, that means Siso Trusha meg jalasya panen nashta. Have to add meg jalasyan panen. Siso Trusha, same words from question. Can cut, have to add meg jalasya panen. Two words have to add. Nashta already there. Question mark cut and have to add. Full stop means have to do line. रेखांकित स्थाने कोष्टकात् पदम स्थापत्य प्रश्न वाक्य रचतः. Have to make the sentence, interrogative sentence, by using the words from the bracket. The underlined words we have to cut, and from the bracket we have to find the particular word to make it clear sentence. See, Janani Sisu Bodhyati. Janani we have to cut. Answer C. Mothers gives advice to young ones. Then Janani cut. Then which word we have to add? Ka Sisu Bodhyati. Ka coming first one. Who preaches the young ones? So in first one, ka coming from the bracket. Second, marge parishranta sa tishtati. Marge parishranta, tired on the way, sa tishtati, he said. Parishranta we have to cut. Means tired words we have to cut. Then we have to find kidasa. Marge kidasa sa tishtati. Why he is set on the rod, then he become tired. So parisrantaha word cut, and kidasaha words we have to add from the bracket and have to do the interrogation sign. Clear? Now third one, Krusakaha Buddha Asi. The farmer was old. Then Krusaka cut and have to add Kaha. Kaha Buddha Asi. Who was old? Kaha from the bracket, first one. Nan Sita Marge Praptata. The bag got on the way. Fourth one. Nan Sita Kutra Praptaha. Kutra means where. So Marge cut and we have to add this particular word Kutra. Nan Sita Kutra Praptaha, from where he got the bag. Cut Marge and have to add Kutra. Saha Tasya Sarvabhutant Katyati. He tells him her all the stories. Tasya we have to cut, then Saha Kasya Sarvabhutant Katyati. Kasya, that is last one. Kasya we have to add. That means in this kim not coming. In first one ka, second one kidasaha, third one kaha, fourth one kutra, and fifth one kasye. That we have to add. Clear it? Okay. Now this dhatu roop, and that no need of making this particular words. No need of writing this. Question number 4. Question number 5. Matru bhashayam utrani likataha. Right answer in English. Question also in English. Answer also in English. What does kulachar means? What is the meaning of kulachar? Kulachar means conduct. Achar, followed in a family or dynasty kul. It is called kulachar. Drinking only the water of the cloud was the tradition of the Chatak birds. Keeping the promise at any cost was the family tradition. And in a dynasty of Raghu, the idea of kulachar is inculcated deeply in the mind of the old farmer style. Kulachar means follow. Kulachar means conduct, followed in a family or dynasty by tradition. It is the meaning of kulachar. What does mother ask baby Chatak not to do? What does mother say giving advice not to do? Mother asked baby Chatak not to drink the water of the lake or pond. Mother asked baby not to drink, baby Chatak not to drink the water of the lake or pond to satisfy its thirst. Because he explained that drinking the rainwater falling directly from the cloud is our tradition, and that is why we should not drink, or you should not drink the water of the lake. Drinking any other water means going against the noble tradition. Mother advice. If you drink any other water, that means you are going against the tradition. You should not break our tradition that we can drink only the water of the rain directly. We cannot drink the water of the other sources of the pond or lake. That is why you should follow. Third one, in spite of being poor, why did farmer's son even not touch the bag? In spite of poor or in spite of poverty, why did farmer's son not touch the bag? Maybe Chatak happens to overhear the conversations of the farmer and his son. The son tells the old farmer how he found a bag of wealth on his way. He reached out his hand. Instantly he remembered the father's advice, not taking the money belonging to other person. He remembered his father's advice. Was their family tradition. He left the bag where it was lying and followed the family tradition. When he remembered his father's words, without taking bag, he returned home with empty hand. Number 4. Why did baby Chatak not drink water from the pond? Why did baby Chatak not drink water from the pond? Baby Chatak was afflicted by thirst when its mother told about their kulachar of drinking only the water from the clouds. Only the water of the clouds. Baby Chatak left for the pond without paying heed to mother's advice. Baby Chatak not paying attention towards mother's advice and started going to lake. On the way, conversation between the dying farmer and his son brought about a great change. When he listens to the conversation discussion, large change or what you call it great change we find. Baby Chatak was convinced that observing kulachar was very important and very higher attention is given to this particular points, particular place. The young one bird decided to wait for the rain. After listening this conversation, the young ones decided to wait for the rain and abstain from drinking water from the pond and remain without drinking water from the pond. That what he thinks, what he observed, what he firmly believed this particular points or this particular matter, it should have the clear way, clear idea about this particular point. He should have think about it. Clear? This brings the end of this particular lesson. Second lesson completed here. Explaining already, and we should pay attention towards this. And realize in a proper way, so that we must remember this particular story, must remember this particular idea, and must learn that we must have to pay attention towards it, so that we achieve it in the real sense. And we must all follow the family tradition. We must think about this and we learn many things from it. Thank you. Have a nice day.